morning, Santa. How are you?
There's Santa.
Great. You'll be seeing rock in your sleep.
Yeah.
Gotta get that lazy river ready for Santa.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
You can see all our framing and forming for the rock underneath here. After 28 days, all this comes out. Most rocks, anything of any size, actually sits half of it on another rock. And then so the weight of it is cantilevered out from there. Everything's looking good. We got all the rocks pinned. We're ready to pour. Another day here at the inn.
All right, so we got Dan Pitts here from Ocean Rock Art. He is the man. He has such a good eye for artificial rock, and he's doing our snow.
The fact that Dan and Scott are here is so cool.
We're kind of going off the renderings.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just basically looking at that book. That boulder you did for the mock-up with the snow on it was so nice. I actually put it in right here.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, let's go
Sick.
check it out.
Cool. Maybe we can kind of create like a little bit of an icy kind of look.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Well, this is going to be the snow-capped mountain.
Yeah.
Look at the sparkle in that snow.
To bridge this, and then what we'll do is pack sand around the openings of these pipes.
Like it's like the snow's kind of dripping down, so we almost need the water to like fall in behind it.
Have the snow kind of creeping out around it.
So I'm thinking a snow drift around this. That's kind of the vision as a whole, and yeah, I guess start unpacking that truck and let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Cool, man.
I want to write a letter to Santa and tell him how much we appreciate him. He is such a cool dude. I put, "We love you, Santa," Lucas Lagoon, child's name, Lucas.
Look, Mom, I'm a penguin. Quack, quack, quack.
We got a bit of weather coming in here, so we got to get this.
We gotta get this done pretty quick before the weather kicks in. What's coming, Dan?
We got a big snowstorm coming.
Glass bead, some diamond dust. It is getting colder by the minute. See the secret sauce. Oh, they're wrapping it up. So we're covering it with some plastic here to keep the wind off of it. Our artist Dan Pitts and his crew from Ocean Rock, they're from Canada, so they have a good idea of what snow looks like. And it's looking really cool. Wow, guys, this snow turned out way better than I could have imagined. So I'm just checking it against the renderings. You can see the snowflakes being set right now, and they're cutting all of the pavers around it. So here you can see we got the snow in just the right angle. It's that glass bead in the snow is catching the sunlight and really starting to shimmer. The rock work got much bigger. Wow, this thing turned into a mountain. Up on top here, you can really see how our artist carved out underneath the snow, gives it this melted snow look, carved out and melted and cantilevered out.
I found this beautiful restaurant called Dancing Bear Bistro. So just so happy to have my family come. We're gonna meet Ross and Lisa here, doing a little thank you ceremony. Lisa's been helping Ross manage this project.
So we're here just outside of Townsend.
The first trip we ever took, we found the same place by accident, not this place, but Townsend.
Right.
And we came here by accident for the first time. It's so funny that like 16 years later, here we are building the most epic job of our career.
And your source for all of the Tennessee rock that we get is not that far from here.
It's like 2 hours away. And this is the kind of resort and the feel and the vibe I want to do at all my projects, right? It's all about bringing people together. And that's what I think the Christmas Inn does so well.
Hey Santa, how are you doing? So good to see you again. I've been trying to think of something for Lucas. He's been hard working over here. Do you think you could help me out thinking of something we could get back to him?
All right, let's see what we got going.
He is now officially an honorary Santa.
We're gonna surprise him with that. I like it. Have you seen Lucas around at all? Just the guy I was looking for.
What's up, man?
So I just had an important meeting with the big man inside,
Yeah.
Santa himself. And I said, you know, I've been trying to think of something we could get Lucas. You've been inducted into the Santa Hall of Fame. The Lucas Santa.
What? That's supposed to look like me? we got work to do. Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Coming to a theater near you is Elves with Attitude. So when you come to In at Christmas Place, you get a nice omelet. Not only are you gonna have a Lucas Lagoon, a lazy river, you got Santa and the best breakfast. I don't know where you can go anywhere else in the world but here to have this kind of service. Yo, there's a good lookout right here. Wow. Pop came all the way from Vermont. It's my dad, that's where I came from. And one day, I'll be as handsome as this guy. You see that? That's a nice beard he's got going on there. I like it. He's getting caramelizing the onions. He's making some nice food. You got some chicken. Marinated. You got some marinated chicken right over there. Oh yeah.